This is it. We're here at the Interlochen Trail. We're gonna march back. I got the hiking gurus with me here. What's up? What's up?
Hey, it's early.
What's up, Mike?
What's going on?
You ready to hike?
I'm almost ready.
Okay, let's do this. We're off. Action shot. Oh yeah. from you. Horton pasture.
I know you right. Gonna miss me when
Oh, careful. Holy cow. Oh, you're able to keep your balance.
gonna miss your baby from rolling in your arms.
Vietnam. Most of the guys they brought Marine.
Yeah. Good footwork, Goodwin.
Walk across the bridge?
Yeah.
These ones? Got the clouds out of cover of a clear blue sky.
Oh yeah.
Please cry for that woman.
Oh my.
Let you big river. I'm gonna strike you till I die. Well, I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota. Drove off every time that drive.
You're all right. I see you.
Well, I heard my dream went back down the street, before it came down the floor, and I followed you to the river with me. Don't that be bad?
Okay, we all over?
Like a little wax.
Okay. Okay. How you doing? Come on, give me 5 at least.
Oh, yeah.
Good work. Good work. Holy cow. Holy cow. I can't believe we did that. How do you feel?
$1 million.
$1 million?
Yeah.
Good job. How you feel?
I think I'm in the prime of my life.
How do you feel?
I never felt better.
Okay, good. Me too. I never felt better. How far did we go?
11.4 miles.
11.54 miles. That's pretty darn good. Wow. Whew.
Good stuff.
Oh, let's get to the van and have a shot of whiskey or something.
Yeah,
Celebrate.
shot right here.
Okay.